that people take for granted. A lot of us know that we should be wearing hearing protection when we're exposed to loud sounds, but then we don't necessarily always do so. So things like loud music events, when you work in noise, if you're a musician or a DJ, there are all types of things that can cause damage to your hearing. And it's all kind of proportionate to the level at which you're being exposed to. So if you're exposed to a very loud sound, then it may take seconds for damage to be caused to your organ of hearing. Or if it's lower but still loud, it might take longer, and it's just proportionate to the level. But I would say that if you are somebody that plays music on a regular basis that's amplified, if you're somebody that works with heavy machinery, definitely DJs, then you should be thinking about protecting your hearing. Even if you go to a concert or a festival, you should be thinking about your hearing, because if you stand right next to the speaker for the whole duration of the set, then that's quite a long time really, and it doesn't necessarily even show itself straight away. So it might be that it shows itself in the future. So I see quite a few people that have been DJs in the past and their hearing's been fine, so they've never done anything about it, but then get to kind of 40 and they've got a moderate hearing loss in the higher pitches, and you can definitely tell that it is noise damage because it follows a certain type of pattern on the hearing test results. So in terms of protection, I would say that you would be wanting custom-made earpieces. If you're somebody that's doing that's being exposed to loud noises on a regular basis, then your best bet is to get something that's custom-made to you. It means that it's more comfortable and you're more likely to want to wear them, but also it means that your hearing is better in those environments. So whereas you can get foam earplugs that are non-custom made, or different variations of earplugs that aren't made specifically for you, they don't filter out in the same way that the custom ones do. So the custom ones are designed to filter out the sounds that are harmful but still mean that you can have conversations with the person that you're speaking to, or hear the music in the way that you should do. And I think most people that I see that have those say that they're miles better than the non-custom made ones. So my job as part of that is to take the shape of your ear. So I do what we call an impression, and it's just basically a mould of your ear, and send off that to the person that makes it, to the manufacturers. Or if you've got someone specific that you want to use, then I'm able to give you the impressions that you can send off directly to them.